Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called Ghost Engine. So what is this a Ghost Engine? Ghost Engine is like all-in-one Python automated suite designed for a bug bounty and reconnaissance assets discovery and exposure like analysis. It combines like a fast network scanning and web security header injections and subdomain enumerations and endpoint exposure and checking into like a single unified engine. So what are the main features we are going to be getting out here? So the main key features we are going to be getting out here as web application firewall detections and OS header injections and SSL and TLS inspections and port scanning and subdomain enumerations and takeover check, GraphQL and server-side request forgeries, as well as path and route discoveries and report generations also. We are going to be getting out here. So let's we would like to try to do it here. So just try to this is the source code. Just try to copy the source code, and I just clone this repository here. Now just try to go here as a ghost engine. Now just type here as clear plus minus a. Now we already have a right permissions to enter here. So let's we would like to try to copy this one, then try to enter here as ghost engine.python minus minus help. We would like to try to ask here. So we have seen here like ghost engine. So we would like to try to utilize here as a first one is like we would like to try to utilize as a target u is like URL. So you just need to be put like your targeted URL. Let's put like erasure.com, and let's we would like to try to look it out here. So this is going to be inject like a web application firewall detections like whichever they have etc things, and open ports automatically it's going to be getting out, and active subdomain enumerations and testing like uh, everything. On redirecting you can look like here as backup.sql. There is like php.info.php info. They are hosted in php info. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. So we are going to be sorry you have been blocked because their Cloudflare, it automatically blocks you everything. So they're not going to be automatically allow you to make it happen. To look it out here, you can look like here as a task execution is finished and report like you have got it here. Ghost engine report.txt. Quite interesting. Even you can get it like that one etc things here. Now, you want to get it like a subdomain enumeration. So like server side request forgeries, check like a web. So we would like to try to look it out here as webbook.site. This URL is does not going to be configured yet. Webbook.site. You're going to be do it from here. You just need to be input like txts or URL site code etc things, and you also need to be input targeted URL. So that's going to be automatically will check here. That's quite interesting here. Then you can look like here as they are also storing in the FTP. This is like FTP's identities. Strictly a transparent security, content security policies, and X-frame options, X content options. There is like excess protections missing like header. That's quite interesting here. To capture that one too easily. That's also a quite interesting here. Now I want to run this one as a Python 3 as ghost engine.python. Now we would like to try to give here as like I would like to try to run like a subdomain. Like I would like to try to run like now here as uh which one I would like to try to run here as I would like to put like here as Thai airways.com. Now let's try to look it out here. Like active like subdomains with you're going to be getting out here enumerating like subdomains and takeover risk. So this is going to be cross check. It's going to be enable for subdomain takeover. Is going to be happen or not happen? We need to be do here. So this is going to be do like in two ways, like active subdomain enumeration and passive subdomain enumerations. So it will also will take a little bit lengthy time process to progress this one. We need to wait for it here. So it's take a little bit a lengthy time process to gather all those things. Now we also try here as Python 3 minus I just type here as ghost engine dot Python. That's quite interesting. Now we just need to be enter here as let's we would like to try to enter like you just enter like your targeted domain, like let's I would like to try to put here as uh otherwise I just put like here as uh https. I would like to try to put here as a tryhackme.com. In this case you can also specify like a word list like a user share word list directory buster and big.txt. That's it. So this will going to be inspect like WAF and OS security headers and try to inspect whichever the right directories they're going to be present here. Active subdomain task is execution is finished. So only one two things which was identified here. That's it here. So in this case it may take more and lengthy time process here. So this tool need to be improved more and which was identify header check failed with HTTP's connection spool with the try hack me port with 443 maximum returns with the URL caused by name revolution with HTTP connections like host like try hack me. Okay. So you're going to be getting out here SSL issuer YR2. You are going to be getting out here as quite interesting. Uh, until when 2026 it's going to be uh, expire. Let's SSL YR2. This is like intermediary certificate issuer under like let's encrypt as a tried around. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. So, SSRF also it's going to be presented here. Now, starting like a root and directory as discovery, then it's going to be identify any type of word list it's have going to be identified here. You can look like here. They have got like SSL. You can inject this one as a very quite interesting. So you can bring your own custom word list and you can try to inject here. Then it's going to be give you all the clear informations for your required things. That's it here. So it may take more lengthy time process to progress here. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.